Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for April 30th, 2017. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. Let's take a quick look at how we finished off last week. The Dow on Friday finished lower by about 40 points. Now, equities overall finished lower on Friday, but did have a fairly strong month overall, finishing higher by about 1%. Most of it after these couple of gaps here last week. That's really what helped us finish the month strongly. But looking at the weekly and the monthly charts, everything looks fine. We have momentum behind this move. We have a nice bounce headed towards those all-time highs once again. You can see the monthly is there as well with momentum behind that move. So all looks pretty good. The S&P 500 was down about 4.5 on Friday, while Nasdaq was down just over a point. The Russell, however, had a more significant move, down a little over 16 points. Looking at the weekly and the monthly, it still looks pretty decent. Not a whole lot to worry about here right now. TLT, though, the 20-year Treasury ETF, looking like it's set for another move here. First of all, let me zoom in and show you that since the 25th of April, we have been in what we call a multi-day inside bar formation. So if you look at the high and low of the April 25th bar, ever since we've been trading within that range. And the longer this goes on, the stronger the breakout will be when it happens. Now we are closer to the high of that 25th range than we are to the low, and we still have slight momentum to the upside here. So chances are we will break out to the upside here, and when we do, we're heading for a move not only back to this previous high near 125, but remember, and let me zoom out here and I'll show you, we do have this gap that needs to be closed, and the upper edge of that gap comes in around 130. So I think once we see that breakout here, we start making our way towards 130 on TLT. Now, also this week coming up, fairly big week for news. Monday we have motor vehicle sales, PMI manufacturing, ISM manufacturing, and construction spending. Tuesday we have the Red Book announcement. Wednesday, MBA mortgage apps and the ADP employment number, along with the FOMC meeting announcement. Should be interesting. Thursday, jobless claims, chain store sales, factory orders, and money supply. And Friday, we have the important employment situation report, and Janet Yellen is going to speak as well. Should be very interesting. And that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.